In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disavow backlinks using Semrush. Whether you're managing your own website or handling SEO for a client, understanding how to disavow harmful backlinks is crucial. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to protect your site's integrity from low-quality links. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your favorite web browser and search for Semrush. If you haven't used Semrush before, it's a powerful SEO tool that helps you manage several aspects of your online presence, including backlink analysis. Once you have the website open, you'll need to either log in with your existing credentials or create an account if you're new to Semrush. Signing up is quick and provides you with browser-based access to all sorts of useful features. Now, head over to the SEO section, where you'll find a variety of useful tools at your disposal. From there, select Backlink Audit. This tool is your main hub for evaluating the health of your site's backlinks. What you'll want to do next is start a new audit for your website, making sure to choose root domain as the point for your audit. This ensures that you're capturing all the potential backlinks pointing to any section of your domain. Once you've set this up, Semrush will begin to analyze your backlinks and categorize them. The three categories you'll see are toxic, potentially toxic, and healthy. Semrush uses its comprehensive database and advanced logic to make these categorizations, taking some of the guesswork out of the process for you. The tool will give you a solid overview of which links might be harming your SEO performance so you can address them accordingly. After the analysis is complete, the next step is to select the links you want to disavow. During this stage, use the Delete to Disavow option. This tool makes it easy by allowing you to move links directly into your disavow list. This part of the process is vital because toxic backlinks can lead to lower search engine rankings, and managing these helps keep your site credible. If you want to delve deeper into your data, you have the option to export all the backlink data into CSV or Excel format. This feature is particularly helpful if you prefer to conduct detailed analyses or share the findings with team members or clients. Once you've sorted through and added all the unwanted links to your disavow list, you're ready to do the final export. Semrush allows you to export this list as a TXT file. This file format is a standard requirement when you're ready to upload it to Google for the disavow process. And there you have it. A hassle-free way to disavow backlinks using Semrush. Remember, regularly auditing your backlinks and keeping your list up to date is an ongoing process for maintaining a healthy and reputable web presence. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy auditing!